Good morning, Ms. Fowler. This is Mr. Parker with EdTech. And I was looking at that problem that you had, and unfortunately, that embed code did not work out so well. So I was looking at it. I decided I was try to find a couple workarounds for that. And here's the best solution I've come up with. So you go to poets.org where you were, and you look around for the people or the poems that you want. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this. Veils. Okay. So here's a Veils poem. Looks pretty cool. Now, there were two ways I could think of. Since this one was a short poem, I was thinking that I could take a screenshot of this and then take this picture and put it into my Go Formative. Now, depending on what type of device you're using, um, if you're using a Mac computer, you would go Shift Command 4 and then select the area that you want to take a picture of, that you want to make into an image. I would snap the picture, and then that saves into your hard drive on your computer. And so you would simply go back to your formatives, create a new formative, click plus, and you're going to put in, I would do it like this. I would enhance a PDF or document from my computer. And since that was the last thing I took a picture of, I'd upload that into my Go Formative. And then from there, once that loads in, that'll be content that the students can see. And checking my views here, they can zoom in on it. So that should be finely visible. And then from there, I could add my questions underneath that. That's one option. Another option of doing this would simply be to go back to your poems, and here on the side where it says print, I'm going to create a printable copy of this. So when I click that, it'll show me what the copy of that looks like if I were going to print it. So from that, I'll click up here at the top under File and Print. And remember that section where I told you how to save things as a PDF? This is where that would come into play. So I would save it to my hard drive. And then the same thing comes into play. I go back to Go Formative. I create a new formative. And then from here, I'll click Enhance PDF or Document back to my computer. And this would be under my downloads, print version of exposure. Or was that Veils? Exposure. Okay. And so then it'll upload the print version of that eventually. It'll upload the print version, and checking my student view, my students can view it here, looking at it from a phone, from their tablet, and then if I wanted to, I could add questions if I wanted to add questions into it right up here, I could. Something like, what is the author tone in this poem? And they could free respond right there. So those are a couple workarounds. I've sent an email to GoFormative to see if there's a fix for the embedding problem. We'll see what happens I'll let you know once that answer comes back to me. But for right now, I hope this will work as a workaround for you. Thanks for reaching out. Have a great day.